Start.
Hi everyone, this is my new album made for a client, and she wanted something related to recording and YouTube. So this is what I could come up with. So this is the paper pack is from Graphic 45. It's called Vintage Hollywood, and apart from that I use the chipboard sets from the same collection, and I've used the mulberry flowers from my own stash, and the laces are from my stash itself. Let's get inside. The chipboards are from Mudra as well. This is the front page of the album. Here I have given a pocket which stores photo mats, a lot of envelopes, as my client wanted few envelopes along with the photo mats. So this pocket holds all of that, and it's very spacious. You can easily put extra photos in that. This is the first page. It slides out like this. You can put a photo here or a photo here, and you can slide it back. The second spot is here. Again, you can do some journaling here, photos here, anything that you like. It closes down like this, and this is the second page. Now on the third page, what I have done is I've tried to give it a feel of the reel album, like a photo reel. So here I've cut the paper pack in a way so that it looks like a reel and backed it up with an acetate sheet. And this again holds a lot of cut aparts and Born to Be a Star, Creativity is Intelligence, Having Fun, and a postcard and a few extra things. Here my client can also again store a lot of loose photos or anything that the child might have received throughout their academic year, or along with his interest. And here again you can fix a photo here. These places are open, so you can just slide a photo here or do some journaling. Now this is the fourth page where I have a booklet. It opens up. You can put a photo here and a photo at the back. It opens up again, few journaling spots and photo spots I have given. It's magnetic and it goes in this pocket. If you flip this page over, you can see half of the photo from here, and this says, "The best inheritance a father can leave his children is a good example." And this is my fifth page. Here again I have given a bigger reel form of belly band, where again there are journaling spots and photo spots. This is a beautiful paper which I actually used the way it is and did not cut it all. And this is a photo mat that I have provided, so she can just slide the photos or journaling spots here and just slide it through like this. This is my next page. Here I have given a lot of tags so that she can write on her special moments with the kids and anything that she wants to feel like noting down for them. Then I have given here a big expandable pocket which stores this booklet. And again here I have used the chipboard from Mudra, and again this is all from the Graphic 45 collection. And this booklet again is good enough to store many pictures. She can put pictures here, do some journaling. The way she wants to use it, she can utilize it. I've given here a pocket. Again, there are a few more things here. Then again, there is a pocket where few things are there. The note cards are there, and she can utilize. And she can do some journaling behind these mats. And then a lot of pages are in there. So she can put a lot of photos, and a lot of journaling can be done in this. This goes back inside here, and this is a waterfall here that I've given. So what happens is, when you remove these tags which you can utilize for writing or photos, you can open this waterfall. And here I've not done much because I wanted the client to have a lot of space for her photos, that's why. So there's a lot of space for photos, and at the same time she can do some journaling spots here like this. And as it is a pocket, it stores a lot of things like this. Now if you go back, here again, she can tuck a photo here, or she can write something here. I've left the space unglued, so she can utilize it like that. Then here comes my next page. This page again holds photo mats. it opens up like this. It's got this policy envelope closure, and these are the photo mats which you can use for journaling or photos on both the envelopes. And I really like the look of the twine here and these reels going along with this very nice green. And both these are given these tuck spots, but again there are some journaling places that you can utilize to do some journaling. Again, the first page here repeats itself. This comes out for a photo mat or journaling. This again a photo mat, and it goes out like this. Now this is again a flat page. This is magnetic. It stays like this. When you open this, you again reveal a multiple flap. You have places here, here. Again a reel front. These again are photo spots, journaling spots. Again a photo mat, and again a nice booklet which I've made with patchwork. So I hope you all like it, and this is how it is. Again journaling spots, photo spots, and again photo spot. She can utilize it the way she likes. And the pockets are very spacious. You can actually put more photos than I have decided, because the pockets are very spacious. And again this page opens up like this, which is again magnetic, and again a lot of photo spots. Then this pocket opens up. It opens up like this, a big 5x7 photo. So you can write anything, any journaling here, and you can again store extra loose photos here. Again I have given here a mat, but she can, as the page was very pretty, I've left it blank so that she can utilize it the way she wants. She can put the photo mats just against these, or she can just, like, you know, leave them loose like this. So this is how I have kept it. Then later my client can do whatever she feels like. And again here there's a tuck spot where I have given her a bigger envelope and a big photo mat. This comes out like this. There are again three photo mats, two 4x6 and one 5x7. And this is where the last page is. This is the last photo mat. And again, as is a pocket, is a very spacious big pocket, so you can tuck more photos inside. And this is where the album ends. I hope you all like it. And also I would like to let you know that along with this, I have made one journaling book, for one journal for her to note down any good thoughts that she wants to show for her boys in that journal. And I've made that in a camera theme. So this is how it is. It's again made by Graphic 45 paper, and the lens is made out of shaker card, and this is how it is. It opens up. This is the front and this is the back. There are two buttons which says Hollywood, and then again Graphic 45 got paper here, Mudra Chip Zeb which says Inspire. And when you slide it out, it opens up like this, and you can use the booklet, and it closes very easily. You just have to slide it inside and it closes very easily. Now this is a booklet. It's got these charms, one tassel, one video recorder, and a few stamps from Graphic 45, and the cut apart again is from Graphic 45. I've made pockets here, not exactly a pocket, a tuck spot, and few quotes, few very nice quotes that I felt that she would love to incorporate in her journal. And the pages I've left blank, not much done, so that, you know, she can fill the journal the way she wants. And just a few tuck spots, paper clips, colorful pages. And this last pocket that I've given here, again I have given her a small envelope which is filled with sentiments which says moments like this, our moment, this moment, wonderful day, thankful. Again one envelope, and this good saying from Graphic 45, few photo mats that she can utilize the way she likes. And the purpose of the envelopes in this journal is that my client wanted to write a few letters to her sons that they can read over the time, and, like, you know, whenever they feel like, they can go through them. So she can always put something, pen something down for them, and it'll be there for them forever. I've not given a closure to this because this is a very flat book by itself, and it's not very thick, and it fits easily in the box. So that's why I've not given any closure in this. But I hope they like the look of the book. It's very plain, very manageable, and it's a 3 signature book, and I hope she likes it and you all like it too. Just let me know your views and comments in reviews below, and do check out my YouTube channel for the same. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.